Are you looking for the best female urination devices 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best female urination devices 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. pStyle, stand to pee with ease while fully clothed, for women, non-binary, and trans men, made in the USA. Reusable pee funnel is a game changer for. The solid design of the pStyle makes it a cinch to maneuver through zippers or around elastic waistbands. Intuitive positioning and a wide cup make it easy to use. Just place, tilt the spout down, keep it level, and go. The rounded back edge can be used to wipe with so there are no drips. Less to carry in, less to pack out. Simple too. Elegant, open design with mirror-finished plastic makes it easy to clean by shaking or rinsing with water while out and about. Use soap and water whenever available. Wet wipes can also be used if desired. Outdoor recreation such as camping, hiking, biking, snow sports, boating, and fishing. Outdoor occupation such as construction, military, farming, and firefighting. Public events and travel. Avoid the porta potties at festivals and sporting events. It's also great for road trips and travel. Anytime public toilets are unsavory or unavailable. Physical issues such as broken or sprained bones, surgery recovery, pregnancy, urge incontinence, hip replacements, and arthritis. Whatever your gender, if you can't already stand to pee while fully clothed, the pStyle is for you. Number 2. EllaPee Women's Urinal Funnel Female Urination Device for Women, Camping Accessories, Hiking, Outdoor Activities and more with medical-grade silicone. Discreet, reusable urination device cup that provides a revolutionary bathroom option for women and girls to pee standing up hiking, concerts, porta potties, camping, travel and more, no more crouching. Fits in your purse, pocket, or glove compartment, and is TSA approved. A must-have for outdoor activities, hiking gear essentials, portable toilet, limited, or unsanitary bathroom facilities, restricted mobility, or post-surgery. Made from durable medical-grade silicone and co-molded plastic so it will not collapse while in use. Moisture-wicking, cleaner, and eliminates messes or spills. No folding required. Who wants to touch an item you have yet to rinse? Simply hold against your body, form a seal, aim, and go. The longer spout carries urine further away from your body, and your shoes and the narrow shape requires you to lower your pants less, giving you more privacy. Number 3. The Tinkle Belle Female Urination Device, portable urinal with case. Stand to pee while staying fully clothed. Easy, compact, reliable for. No need to bear all of your assets. The Tinkle Belle is specifically designed with a hard shell portion so that you can use it with all of your clothing without it collapsing. It doesn't overflow or collapse like silicone funnels. Just insert it into a fly or move clothing down in front, point the spout down, and you are good to go. Yes, we know when you are out and about that you may not have extra tissues or wipes with you. No problem. The Tinkle Belle is designed with a soft wiping, squeegee lip so that you can remove any remaining drops. No wet clothing for the Tinkle Belle. The Tinkle Belle is engineered and designed to be anatomically shaped to fit you. Pee in confidence without leaks or overflow. The anatomical shape allows for the correct seal against your body and our built-in thumb rests assure proper placement. Aim with precision. Number 4. TRIPTIPSP Conch Foldable Female Urinal Device Portable Urinal for Women Pee Funnel for Women Travel. She Pee Cup for Women. Stand to pee reusable women's urinal funnel with tube and case. TRIPTIPS Ultra Compact Female Urinal Device is a game-changer like no other. It's truly fully foldable, shrinking by a stunning 70% afterward. Complete with a storage case, take it wherever your wanderlust leads. Imagine the freedom to answer nature's call with it. Choose from blue, orange, pink, purple, black, or yellow, a color palette as diverse as your explorations. Unfold our Conch, unfold a fresh lifestyle. Feel the secure grip. As we designed our women's pee funnel, we meticulously chose a sleek plastic head, avoiding the deformations that silicone can cause, potentially leading to leaks. Moreover, inspired by Conch, our female urination device boasts circular raised dots on both the top and bottom, ensuring a non-slip hold. Confront any situation confidently, free from worry. TRIPTIPS Portable Urinal for Women is simplest solution for instant outdoor bathroom needs. Just relax. Stand with your legs apart. Hold the unfolded urinal close to your body. Form a seal, aim, then go. It fits most bottles for adaptability anywhere. The biggest adventure shouldn't involve finding a restroom during travel. You can forget about using unsanitary public toilets. Whether you're outdoors, camping, or on a road trip, it's there for you anytime. Embrace the freedom. Number 5. Portable Urinal and Reusable Female Urination Device Silicone Pee Funnel for Women, ideal for car camping, road trips, hiking, and outdoor adventures. Versatile urinal for women. Designed to cater to all women, this urinal for women is perfect for pregnant women, women campers, and more. It's a trusted solution for those uncomfortable moments during road trips or traffic jams. Our female urination device for women can be folded and discreetly stored in the carry bag provided. This makes it an essential item for camping and traveling, allowing you to avoid public restrooms. Complete pee solution includes a women's pee funnel, 2 extension tubes, wipes, gloves, and a reusable pee cup for women. This comprehensive She Pee female urinal kit is designed with your convenience and hygiene in mind. Our She Wee female urination device is designed to be spill-proof, eliminating any messy situations. The reusable women pee cup standing up can be cleaned easily, ensuring it's ready for next use.